guys, it's Maymay. Hey guys, it's Maymay and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Hey guys, it's me again, Maymay, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Say hi! Hi! So, bago ang lahat, gusto ko po magpasalamat sa lahat ng nanood ng aking first video, especially dun sa mga umorder and nagpagawa nung ruffle drop skirt. So, may mga nagtatanong sa akin, bakit daw wala dun yung tutorial nung top, naka-turn na nung skirt. Yung top kasi na yon is mabilisan ko lang ginawa nung gabing yon para lang may ma-turn ako dun sa skirt. So, hindi ko na siya naipakita sa inyo and may mga nagsasabi din na bitin daw yung video. So, for today's video, I will be showing you kung paano ko ginawa yung top na yon. Eto, ayan. Pwede rin puntahin kamay kung wala kayong sewing machine. Mabilis lang to and madali lang to gawin. So, let's start! For this top, I will be using my old stretchy sando for pattern. Cut the fabric with 1/2 inch seam allowance. You'll need to fold the fabric into two so that you'll have front and back pieces. So, naisip kong gawing crop top kaya babawasan natin yung haba. So, for the inner part, you have to cut another fabric, the same size with the pieces you cut a while ago, but with shorter length. Do this on both pieces. Once you have all the pieces needed, you can start sewing. So, you'll need to sew this side. There, this side also, and this side. So there, you'll have to leave this one open. This one also. This and this. So yeah. Flip the fabric, you now have two pieces, one for the front and the other one for the back. Now place the front part into the back part right sides together. Place your hand inside the fabric, then pull the strap part. Do this on the other part, then sew circular. This is what it looks like after sewing. Next is the bottom part. Fold the edge into two, then sew. Now, sew the sides with fabrics facing wrong sides together. Then flip the fabric and sew the sides for the second time. Flip the fabric again and now it's done. that's it. Di ba ang dali lang? Thank you guys for watching. Subscribe for more DIYs and fashion-related videos. See you on my next video. Bye!